Hello, I am Dr. Rohit Deshmukh. I am consultant psychiatrist practicing in Mumbai. Today we will be discussing some tips to manage the ADHD in your kids at home. So there are few points that you can follow at home where you can follow these tips and you can manage their ADHD at home on a regular basis. So first we'll start with very basic thing. What you can do, you can create a structure. You can create a schedule for them. The schedule should be very clear. It should not be very crunchy. It should be nicely distributed in time, and it should be manageable for a child. Also, the schedule should be very clearly written, and it should be placed somewhere where the child can read it and keep a track of it. Second thing is to communicate the things with them. I know many of the parents are frustrated with their ADHD child. They don't know how to manage it. But try to communicate your problem. Try to communicate what you want from them in a very nice language. Don't try to shout or pressurize them, because ADHD brain is a hyperactive brain. It cannot take it. It will take it in other direction and they will start rebelling it. And once the rebellious process is started, then you cannot help. Then it becomes a massive atom bomb like reactions. The third thing is to stay positive. ADHD is neurodevelopmental disorder, but it's not a disease that we need to cure. We need to work on it slowly, and slowly it will be better. It's like managing or teaching your child's brain how to behave with whatever it has with it. The fourth thing is to be patient and understand your child's need. ADHD needs might be slightly different. They might need high stimulation, fast stimulations, and things at their pace. Try to make them understand that everything cannot be like that. Make them understand how can things be made manageable, how can you make it manageable, and how can the child help them, or like making a team between you and a child can make the things happen in a good way. Then fifth tip is to set the sequences. Use logical sequence of events on the daily basis, because child being small cannot understand the priorities. Teach them priorities and keep them in that loop. The next tip is to spend time together. Spending time with your child, understanding the need of his ADHD brain, and then coordinating with your normal brain, you can help the child organize their things in a better manner and to proceed in their life in a good way. Also, help them with the sleep. ADHD child has a hyperactive brain, like I said, so the sleep pattern is slightly disturbed. Help them to follow the sleep hygiene. Ask them to follow it, and so that they will be in a better position to manage the things. Sleep is very important restorative process. That's why they should be sleeping for at least 8 hours in a whole 24 hours. So try to manage it. And last but not the least, take a help of expert, like consulting a child psychiatrist, on their advice going for the child psychologist for any testing if required, and take the necessary treatment whatever is required for your child. If you follow these steps, your child will definitely do better in his or her life, and they will definitely flourish, because ADHD is not something which we think. It's just a neurodevelopmental disorder. And to end it, I would tell you one secret, that even I am ADHD. Not a diagnosed case, but yes, I have slight ADHD traits in me. If I can be a doctor, then ADHD child can do anything. So please go for it, follow the tips and do it. Thank you.